What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of our Blokees series. And this one, we got another box for the Defender version number 6, Brutal Fang, which includes Megatron, again on the packaging. And this is a completely sealed box. So the previous one that we had, I believe the one that we got there was Optimus Prime. Sorry, not Optimus Prime, it's Ultra Magnus, one that is listed here, the one in the middle. So I hope we got a different set for this series. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this Defender version 6, the new set of our box. Let's go. Okay, so since this is a completely sealed box, what we're going to do is we're going to right now unpack the box itself and hope that we got a different set for this unboxing. So yeah, probably in the near future we may need we are going to get a different what do you call this, different Blokees that we're going to build. Might be the Champion series like Marvel, or we're going to get like other Blokees series like Batman as well. They do have that one, or Kurumi. I know this is quite weird, but Kurumi, she is one of my favorite Sanrio character. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this one, hoping that you'll enjoy this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you would not miss any of our updates for our uploads that we're going to place in this channel. And also don't forget to visit our Facebook page, facebook.com/Ybrik Builds. So yeah, we got this one. We got the box unlocked. Yeah, so this is a sticky type of material that it's hard to remove. Anyways, box is open. Got the Blokees inside and got the card as well. In this box, I think we got a couple of more parts that we got. So hoping that this would be different from the one that we previously had. So again, we got our silica gel. Let's set it aside. Who is it gonna be on this box? Oh, it's Perceptor. So we'll go ahead later about the history of or the role of Perceptor in the Autobots. So yeah, let's go ahead and start building, and let's unpack a Perceptor in the box. So let's open it. Let's open it. Open it. Okay, this is quite few contents in our box. Yeah, so okay, let's start building Perceptor so that we can get his brief history later on. Let's go. Alright, so we got the Perceptor already built right now. So yeah, everything looks good with Perceptor. And just want to let you know, Perceptor is a highly intelligent and emotionally detached Autobot scientist and also leader of the Autobot Ministry of Science in Cybertron. So the Gen 1 counterpart, the Perceptor, possess a distinct voice like electronic, so it's like robotic, totally robotic sound. So yeah, his role again, he is the head of the Ministry of Science. He is responsible for keeping the Autobots technologically advanced with the Decepticons, and he is known to have deleted most of his personality, subroutines, and emotions to create more hard drive space. So it's like he has low memory capacity. Anyways, he is Perceptor is working side to side with Wheeljack, and with their projects. Also, he was ordered by Ultra Magnus to initiate the Project Safeguard, utilizing all of the data from captured Decepticon Starscream to create the Autobot twins like Jetfire and Jetstorm. And also, he is the one of the creators of Omega Supreme in the episode of Transwarped, and it is revealed that Perceptor was the architect behind the massive Autobot Omega Supreme. So yeah, that's it. Aside from the brief history of Perceptor, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this latest build series for our Blokees Transformer series. This one, Perceptor. So yeah, if you again like this video, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you would be updated for the latest episodes that we're going to create. And that's it for today. See you guys next time. Peace.